Good day, good day, good day, everyone. How y'all doing out there? I hope everyone is doing well. It's a beautiful Thursday, new Thursday for all of us, because this day we'll never see again. We will see Thursday, but not this one ever again. Whatever we do today, that's it. Yes. So make it be memorable. Always, take care of yourself and do the right thing. I'm out here in nature. Nature is what I love, and I love to do nature every day. So that's where I'm at every day. So I'm down here, giving you a little piece of what I'm doing here. And as Brother Lance can turn around and show you all the fruit trees and that is in here. There's a lot of papaya and banana, and you have merengue behind me and all the beautiful things in. So I just want you to come on the journey with me while I'm doing this farming here. It's farming, everybody. It's not just a little garden. It's a lot. It's a lot of food I'm growing in here. And I know one day some of you gonna come and visit, and then y'all gonna have some of these beautiful, tasty fruits and vegetables and all the ground foods, everything here. And I know you are gonna enjoy it with me and Brother Lance too. Yes, yes, yes. So just coming to you today and just want to show you a few things that I'm doing here. Right behind Brother Lance is a merengue, is sour sap, sweet sap, avocado tree. I plant these by seed. All the papayas, the bananas, I bought them from somebody, little suckers, maybe this tall, and I carry them. And if you look, when we look or turn around, you'll see all the big banana trees and how much babies they have. And I eat so many bananas from here. Lots of ripe bananas, lots of green bananas. I know some people don't like green bananas, but I love it. I love to boil my green bananas and eat them. And the water, when you boil your green banana, as long as you boil it in the right water, not no chlorine water, but alkaline water or your spring water, you can drink the water from it. It's very good. It's a lot of iron. All the iron comes out in the water. You can drink it. That's what we used to do when we were growing up. And we cook the food in the water because we have the rainwater and the spring water. So when we cook the food in there, we used to drink the water from it. And man, it tastes so good. Man, your food digests so well with that, eating the food and everything. It's amazing, guys, that you can have beautiful rainwater or spring water and you cook your food in there, like your dumpling, your bananas and your yam, and you drink some of that water because you have a little salt in it and all that. So it's very tasty. And you know what we used to do to sometimes? My mom used to get a green scotch bonnet pepper, and we drop it in there, and have that little flavor of pepper in it too, with the salt and everything combined together. I don't talk about when you make a big pot of gungo soup or red pea soup or cow pea soup. I used to love cow pea soup. That's a rich peas. Oh my goodness, that peas is so rich. Out of all the peas, I love that one, and the green gungo peas. I love it when you cook soup with it. It's amazing what you can do with these things. We really need to embrace nature more, enjoy nature, because it is such a beautiful and peaceful thing. I mean, so peaceful. It's amazing how peaceful it is. You will hear the birds, and I just love to hear them in the mornings or in the daytime. You see different birds, yellow birds, red birds, black birds, brown birds, all the beautiful birds and butterflies around, and it's amazing. I'm just loving it. I just enjoy it. Sometimes I just working and I turn around and I look and I see how nature is beautiful and what it has done for us. Because if nature wasn't here, what would we do? We come here with a beautiful creation beautiful, everything is here, but we get it, and we have to take care of it. We have to make sure, say, we shine it up, wash it down, shine it up and polish it. And it means go in and plant and weed the weeds up and plant everything that you want to eat. You can have it. I tell you, I plant these pineapples and I got so many, and now so many babies come up on these pineapple. And you know what I noticed? The pineapples here, to me, they grow different, because I grow pineapple in Florida and they were amazing. They like mango pineapple. That's how they taste. They were so amazing. I give so many people pineapple in Florida, and now they have pineapple, and these are store-bought that I used to buy, but they wasn't good. They wasn't sweet to me. So I plant the tops, and I had so many. I have more than 50 plants of pineapple in Florida. So I always give away pineapple because every year I have a lot of pineapple and I let them ripe on the tree. And sometimes the raccoons, they try to beat me to it. You know, you go outside and the whole yard is smell up like pineapple. The raccoons, them in the night, they'll come and eat it half, and then I just leave it and they'll come back and eat the other half. So once I see them start turning orangey, I just pick them off and just share them with other people, and you know, use some for my smoothie, and I eat some also because they are so awesome. There is a lady that I gave pineapple from my pineapple. She said her husband doesn't eat pineapple because when he eat it, it burns his mouth. So she said, she told him to try the pineapple that I gave to him. He says the best pineapple he ever tastes, and this is mango pineapple. Amazing, guys. But what I need to tell you, that what I noticed with the pineapple plants out here, when you take the pine off, it shoots up the big thing in there, and some of them have all six and 8 tops on it that you can plant out, so you'll have more, so many, you know, so you'll end up having a whole farm of pineapple. So I know I'm gonna have so many because I've been taking them off and planting them, and then after you take them off, you shoot up back one in the middle that's gonna do the pineapple again. It's amazing what these things do. Amazing how nature is. Man, y'all should try it out. Just even, you know, if you live in an apartment, just try a couple grow bags. Even if you don't want to buy plastic, grow bags are very cheap on Amazon. So you buy a couple grow bags and you put some stuff in it. Even, I tell you what, you can put a mango tree and you can train it to not grow big. So you trim it out, so the top, so it doesn't grow big and all that stuff. So you can have mangoes beer, like the Jamaican mango, like the Julie mango and the East Indian and all that. You can put it in bag and you grow it and you get mangoes from it. A lot of people plant stuff in, because when I was in Florida, I put a lot of my fruit trees and stuff. My cherry trees, they bear so much in the pots. So if you like cherries, you can put cherry trees in your grow bag, and you're surprised how many cherries you can pick off your trees. And then you can grow your strawberry, your blueberry. I grow blueberries in Florida in pots, and every morning I go out there when they start bearing, I'm picking blueberry and eating, and they are so amazing. The fig, I grow fig in pot, and I get figs off of it. So it's so many things that you can grow, even if you live in an apartment. And if you have a balcony or a little outside part, you know, a lot of the apartments have a little outside part on the balcony. You just put a few things there and you can grow one of the grow bags, like with your kale, your arugula, in one bag. You buy the bigger size one, and so you can put more stuff in it. You can grow your tomato, your arugula, and all the different stuff, because you put the steak on the tomato so it run up and it beer and get all that. It's amazing. I got a lot of tomatoes in Florida, a lot of tomatoes, a lot of bell peppers, and all the good stuff. So it's amazing what you can do. So you should try it out, guys. Just try to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, until when things change for you and you're able to get a place where you have a yard, whether it's in wherever state you're in, and you can get a little yard. I know, like in Florida, it's a little more tropical, not cold, especially South Florida, even in Orlando, because I grow a lot of things in Orlando. First, when I moved to Orlando in '86, the weather was bad. Like when the cold weather comes around in September, it usually starts getting cold, but now I see everything change where the weather is much better. So you're getting mangoes, because we got mangoes and all that stuff. Avocado, I used to get a lot of avocado, papaya, I mean, lots of things, orange, grapefruit, lemons, and guava, all these beautiful things you can grow and get it if you're there. Certain places you can plant your stuff and get it. And if you're in a place like Georgia, you can plant your peach, you can plant those plums, your cherries, and you know, different little stuff. And you know, if you have a balcony where you can put stuff, and you maybe can cover up some of the stuff them and grow a few things, you know, it's just amazing to see them bearing fruits and vegetables. And you can have stuff where you can say, oh my goodness, I can pick some strawberry this morning, I can pick some blueberry, and I can use this in my smoothie. Or you know, it's amazing. You can go outside and pick your stuff and have it to eat and make your drink. I use the papaya and the pineapple to make juice, and the mango, I put all of them together and I make drink. I even get the watermelon and and what did I put in it? Cucumber and stuff like that in it, and make my drink and all that stuff. So it's amazing. Sometimes you look in the refrigerator how many juice you have in there. So every day you have fresh juice, you have your smoothie and all these things. You know, so if the supermarket is closed up, at least we know if we're doing we're farming, we can able to survive from our garden. And that's what we need to do. That's why we as a people, we should really work together as one, so we can do things together and we can live as one and do, you know, like I always say, have a highland have a highland by ourselves, and these people can't come bother with. But when they see we have all this food and we're surviving, you know, they will try anywhere we go, they try to come anyway. But it's amazing what we can do. You see, these other people, they doing the darn thing. So many of them planting food. I'm telling you, it's amazing how many food they're planting. What's wrong with us? Why we can't do it? They are doing it. They're doing the darn thing. So why not we do it too? We have 2 hands, 2 foot and everything. We have a head with a brain and all that stuff. So we're gonna do it. And if we have to teach each other to do it, that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna go around teaching the youths them, teaching daddy, mommy, grandma, brother, sister, every one of us. You see what I'm saying? Cousin, friend, whoever. We teach each other. If they don't know how to do this, we show them how to do it. Or, you know, doing the videos and teaching people how to plant this stuff and how to get it nice and healthy. Even the bananas here, look at them. They are very healthy. No fertilizer on them. I put manure on them, but that's about it. I don't do nothing much to them, and when I see how amazing they are and how they grow up so big and tall and giving me how much bananas. If you look in this one, is 3 bananas I cut out there already, and I have so many leaves in there to shoot bananas and the young ones and all that stuff. And this one here is amazing. I cut a lot of bananas from it, and look at the root. It's so much huge banana plants in it. Look here guys, this is coconut that I plant, small tiny coconut I buy, and I put them in here. And guys, I plant, not kidding you, I plant more than 60 when I count, really and truly, because every time I buy, I always buy 10, and most of them die. Right now I can show you, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 big ones like these, and then I have like maybe 6 or 7 small ones coming, and I'm so grateful that they have grown so much and everything is just coming up so nice, you know. And I am grateful. I am really grateful for creation. All of this, it's a beautiful thing to me. I can't wait when I go to bed. I can't wait for daylight to come go outside and start doing my thing and weeding up. I see a weed out my pineapples, and because I love when my babies are doing good and they clean out and I know they are happy. You know, I trim up some of the trees, and because the more you trim the trees, the more the more they grow. They are more beautiful and they give you fruit quicker because you are trimming. And I notice when I trim them, they just start flowing. I mean, just growing. You know, you have a baby and you take good care of the baby and you're feeding the baby well. You're giving them, like when we're growing up in Jamaica and have the baby, and certain time you start giving them a little cornmeal porridge, a little arrowroot porridge and all the stuff, blend it up and make them nice porridge. You see how the baby big and healthy? Yes, that's the same way with our plants. When we trim them up and take good care of them, it's the way they are so amazing, man. They love it. They love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yes, so I just want to come to you today and just, you know, give you a little rundown of everything that I'm doing, and we'll just put the camera on and show you, like standing here. This is a merengue right here. This is a, I just cut it. I have a big merengue tree. I plant a little piece and it grows so big, so I had to chop it, and I plant this, and there's a little one catching. And this right here is a sweet sap. I just put a little one there, and look how it growing nice. I trimmed it out, and then you have the sour sap there. Yes, and all these beautiful things. But next time I'll come around and I'll keep showing you the different things them that I have in here, the fruit trees, the flowers. I have some beautiful flowers, got little pieces, and I plant until I have all this here, and it's amazing. It's just amazing. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful, and I thank you all for watching and comment. Yes, just give me your ideas and comment on all the videos. Subscribe to the channel, man, and just come on the journey with me. Share it out with your friends and your family and everyone, and show them what I'm doing out here in Ghana. And just come with me, walk with me, and talk with me, you know, and just give me your feedback, and I will come back and see you again. And then the next time I come, I'll show you right where the greenhouse where I want it to be, and you give me your ideas on it, and if what you think about it, and you know, all the good things what we're gonna do here. Because whenever y'all come to Ghana and visit, y'all can, we're gonna set it up that you'll be here with us. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna work together and do this thing together and pull it off. We're gonna do some amazing things. And the other thing that I really love is koi fish. I love koi fish, so I would love to have a koi fish pond and put my fish them in there, because this is something that is so relaxing, where you can just sit down and watch the fish them, feed them and all that stuff. And I like the what you call the peacocks. I love the peacocks, so I would love when the yard is fenced to get a pair of peacocks, a peacock, and put them in here. And then, you know, we're gonna have babies, so but I don't care. We could have a lot of them, and we're gonna have all kind of peacocks. I will take care of them, feed them, and build a nice little place for them to sleep in at night. But roaming around, I just love to see them. So, you know, just come on journey with me, and just subscribe to the channel, and just show your love, and know that I'm loving you back. Yes, and you know, take care of yourself and have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.